In my last video, I started making new underbed supports from my 1977 Camino. So now I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. Now that I got all the pieces cut, I went ahead and tack welded the whole entire thing together. Don't mind my weld job. This was my first time welding, but it just needs to get the job done. On the inside here, I put in 2 reinforcements where the fuel tank braces are going to be attached just for extra support. And here's a better shot of the final product. The most important thing to keep in mind is that the highest point of this has to be 6 inches tall. Back underneath the car, I finished up painting. I put a couple layers of black enamel paint over top of the rust restore to protect it from further rust damage. Before I paint, I just do a quick test fit and make any final adjustments as needed, but this fits perfectly and it is almost ready to paint.